to recover deleted Snapchat photos using My Data feature. While Snapchat is designed for content to disappear, its My Data feature allows you to download an archive of your account information. It is crucial to understand that while this often includes details about your snaps, it typically does not provide the actual image or video files of snaps that were truly deleted from Snapchat servers and never saved to your memories or device. However, it is a good step to take to see what metadata is available. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon located on the top left corner of the screen. On your profile screen, tap the settings icon, a gear symbol, in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, scroll down towards the bottom until you locate Privacy Control section. Tap on My Data. On My Data webpage, you'll see various categories of data you can download. While you can select all options, understand that specifically the Snaps section will contain metadata, like timestamps, sender or receiver info, but usually not the actual image or video files of deleted content. Saved content, like from memories, might be included if you choose Memories option. Review the available data types and click Submit Request at the bottom. Snapchat will prepare your data. This can take some time, from minutes to hours or even a day. You will receive an email to the address associated with your Snapchat account with a link to download your data archive.